Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speed Cuber here, and in this video I have a huge unboxing from Cubes UK. I'm really excited to unbox this one, and I hope you guys... Oh, R2. Roll the intro! So this is what was inside the box. Thank you guys for using my discount code at Cubes UK. It has made me possible to buy all these cubes and review them. So thanks for the massive support. The discount code is Belgian SC5. It gives you 5% off your orders on Cubes UK. Yeah, I can't thank you guys enough. Okay, on with the video. Oh, and I'm going to unbox this in another video, so hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. So first of all is the QiYi Jelly cube. They have been around for yeah, quite a long time, but never really got one of them. And I must say, yeah, they look super awesome. If you do a checkerboard, yeah, it just looks eatable, but don't eat it, kids. It will be very harmful for your teeth, I guess. Yeah, first turns. It reminds me of a QiYi Warrior W. Yeah, not the best cube, but it's a quite budget-y cube. Corner cutting does fairly well. Reverse, not so much, but that's to be expected from a budget cube. Yeah, overall, a quite cool cube. Here it is in a super flip pattern. I really like the colors on this one. Yeah, they will make quite nice cubographies. Okay, next cube. Did I say next cube? These aren't cubes, these are yeah, 2x2 shape mods, and yeah, they're looking very, yeah, cool. Which one do you think I will unbox first? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to go for the tiger because, yeah, overall I'm a real cat man, so this is the OG cat. Let's get him out of his box. Hey there, Maya. What do you think? He's your new pal. Okay, please let me record. She sees the packing peanuts. Oh dear. It's playtime. Yeah, so this is the YuXin 2x2 tiger. He looks very fierce, doesn't he? I know they've been around for a while, but I got the penguin version, and yeah, I did something special for the penguin unboxing, and I'm gonna put a link here. So yeah, so go check it out if you want. Yeah, overall, these cubes turn fairly smooth. A bit of corner cutting even. Look at that. Reverse, nothing. But yeah, cool. So yeah, here's the panda. Not that great in corner cutting. The kitty was better. Okay, so let's scramble it. Okay, this is one scrambled panda. Okay, so let me try and solve it for you on camera. I'm going to fast forward this, so don't worry. Okay, so this one is already solved. Now the tiger. Ah, and the bottom side is already solved. I did myself a favor. Oh no, I messed up. Oh damn. I shouldn't have said I've done myself a favor. Oh man. I know this case on a regular 2x2, but I don't dare to execute it, but because I'm going to get lost. Oh man, I'm a noob.
A few moments later.
Am I doing something wrong? Ah, and it's solved. Man, this took way too long. But I shouldn't have said, yeah, I gave myself an easy scramble. I shouldn't have said that.
I shouldn't have said that. I should not have said that. I shouldn't have said that.
And here is the OG penguin. Yeah, I know there's other animals out there. I'm maybe going to get them all, but This was it for the video. If you want to purchase any of these cubes in here, I'll put a link where you can buy them. You can do that at Cubes UK, where I have a discount code Belgian SC5, which I mentioned before. Thank you guys for the massive support. Yeah, the support has been overwhelming. I'm going to unbox the QiYi Tornado V2 in another video, so keep an eye out for that and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Belgian Speedcuber out.
Officer, I got one question for you. What are those?